Hey, Tracy Lewis from Stuff and Things. I am doing my final walkthrough of our rehab unit, and we are pressure washing the outside north side of the building, which in the Pacific Northwest they'd get really mossy, and thank goodness the siding is the plastic vinyl siding, so it's really easy to clean. And everything is good to go now. We even just caulked that one corner. Had some caulking come off. There's the door jamb repair that you would only notice if you were told about it. Alright, so now we'll go downstairs and see what things look like. I like how the fireplace repair job turned out. Here's what we did to repair the fireplace, and then we repainted the black again. And the kitchen we're working, we had the shelves were sagging a little, so we added some reinforcement and wood glued them, so now they're drying and they look so much better. This is the counter that was put in. It matches very nicely with the flooring. So we're gonna call it done and get some new tenants in here. Let's go into the bathroom, I guess. Oh, and then I don't know if I ever videoed the garage, which was our mad scientist lab to fix everything. It is completely cleaned out. And then one other job that we did, I don't even know how much these parts cost, but the springs on the garage door were sprung. So very late Friday night, we actually took off the old springs and put on the new ones, and now the garage is so much better now. The door is not a safety hazard. All right, there's a glimpse into our landlording life. Thanks for watching.